Just cutting the bracket. I just got a fine mist going onto it. Alright, that's it, doing the facing operation, and yeah, it looks quite nice, feels pretty smooth, and right, let's try cutting the rest of it. Right, so final operation, which is now cutting the bracket out itself. It's done the borehole. And yeah, so last stop. The final process is done. The only issue I had really was at the very end, where it must be in my settings. Let's have a quick look. So if I go into Fusion, and yeah, it was the very last pass. It must have done a finishing pass. Did it? Yeah, finishing step down. There's a step over it should have been, I think. Strange, I can't see why it did what it did. But what happened at the very end, so it cut everything out, and at the very end it like took half a mil off the whole of the contour of the whole of it, so the chips that came out were these long ones here. So I did a pass all around it at the full depth, which was 17 mil, and I can't seem to see it in the settings. I'm not sure why it did that, but we'll figure it out. Apart from that, yeah, it came out bang on. Yeah, so the finished part. That's the finished part. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for my, what is it, the FK20 I think, brackets. Gonna get put into there. This I forgot to mention, it is Franco's design.